Sometimes when we're stitching along, our thread gets knotted. You often have no idea how this happened, but you turn your piece over and you're either in a tangle down by the fabric, or you've got an actual knot in your thread and you can't keep stitching like that. So in this case, when your thread's actually knotted, often the best option is to just snip a tail and start again. So what I mean by that is sometimes you can actually figure out how to undo a knot. You could take your needle off your thread, figure out how to undo what you've got. You can pop out any stitches to get back to where you want to start again on the front side of your fabric. But sometimes there's just no fixing the mistake. And don't worry if that happens. What I'd encourage you to do is have a think. Normally if your thread has knotted somewhere down near your stitching, it's actually nice and secure. So like in this case, I'm actually just going to cut a short tail and then I will flip my piece over and I could actually just start with a fresh piece and continue stitching this stem. If you want, you could actually take out your stitching and start again on whatever piece you're working on, but don't feel like you have to go back to square one if you've got an entangle. Just snip it out. If it feels secure enough, then just pick up where you left off.